Hello, this is Mrs. Fontanes. Many of you today and tomorrow, December 8th and December 9th, will be taking the Algebra 1 exam. And I will be helping Mr. Mancia give the exam. So I will not be available all day because I'll be testing all day and I cannot speak to you. So you're going to be working on your own, those of you who are not taking the exam today. So you're going to go to Google Classroom and find today's assignment. So here you can see it says Classwork, and then it says work for December 8th. You're going to see worksheet, nitrogen cycle. That's what it says here. You're going to watch the video and answer all questions. So the questions and the video are all going to be on the worksheet. So this is another view, the classwork, work for December 8th, worksheet, nitrogen cycle. So if you open it up, this is what you see. It says the nitrogen cycle is a process where nitrogen gas is changed into a form that plants can use. Then people and animals can also get the nitrogen by eating the plants. Nitrogen is important for life. People, plants, and animals need nitrogen in order to make DNA, RNA, and protein. You will watch a video and then answer questions. Please use this link to watch this video titled The Nitrogen Cycle. You see that right here. Once you get to that website, scroll down the page until you see the picture of the mouse eating the plant, just like in the picture I'm going to be showing you in a moment. Then you're going to answer the questions after watching the video. You may even pause the video as you watch it to answer the questions. Don't forget to press submit when you're finished. So this is what you're going to see when you see the website. Notice these arrows? I put these arrows here. They're not part of your website. And that's because I'm telling you here to scroll down. You're going to bring that scroll down, down, down until you get to here. Okay? Then you're going to press this go button and the video will start. So this is what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be looking for a little mouse eating the plant. This is the video that you're going to watch. Remember, you can pause the video and answer questions as you are watching it. See you later.